I'm one of the admins of the MoneyByte team. A warm welcome to you all. Hope you're keeping safe. Temperature here in the United Kingdom is 8 degrees. Autumn is fast approaching on us now. So thank you very much for tuning in tonight. We'll just have a quick recap on the wider markets and also what the MoneyByte has been up to over the last week and what we've got to look forward to in the future. Tonight we're also interviewing the next member of the team, so you can learn a bit more about the individuals involved. Well, let's have a look what's been going on the markets at present. Well, BTC has been having an absolute superb week, and long may it continue, we say. It's had good strength, good volumes. Recent Google analysis showed a lot more people are searching the terms cryptocurrency and Bitcoin at present, so that awareness is rapidly getting out there, which could mean another bull run, most definitely. The volumes are definitely increasing. We've seen good strength over the last week. We've broken through the 12,000 again. Will it hold? Well, if we look at the BTC 1-year chart, this is the second time over the last year we've attempted to go over and beyond the $12,000 mark. What's different about this one is that it's more gradual than the last run-up, which was run up on very weak volumes. Now we have a more sustained volume increase and so a more sustained price rise. If we go back even further in time to the 5-year chart, let's all go back to when BTC was at 20,000. Every Tom, Dick and Harry wanted BTC. That was the big buzzword. Well, we're still a long way off that at this point in time, but with all the hype around the DeFi contracts and tokens, and there is a lot of money floating around now in crypto. Not all of it, maybe this time, because of the token scenario, will hit the BTC area, but we're still expecting strong growth and an awful lot of promotion within the crypto sphere. Please remember, if you do have any questions, please type away on the voice chat channel immediately above this voice chat text. What else have we got? Well, looking closer to home, let's have a look at MoneyByte. Some good news is that the liquidity has improved. Obviously, with BTC rising, you'll always get a few people looking to take a few stats off here and there profit. Nothing wrong with that. And it will enable the long-term holders to accumulate more MoneyByte. So, as you can see, we've now got 46,000 mon available on GraviX, which is good to see, so people can start accumulating for the way forward. So that's good news. And looking at it from the bigger picture, what else have we got? Well, there's also a little bit of support building on the bid as well. The green is getting bigger as well. So we're doing admirably well. We have had some bots over the last week driving the price down. I watched it yesterday go from 450 all the way down to the high 300s. Just 3 bots just chipping away, and it drove the price down 50 sats. There wasn't even a buyer or a seller there. Absolutely ridiculous sometimes, these bots, but that's the world that we're in, and we have to live with them. So be it. Okay, right, let's have a look at what else has been going on. We've done all our payouts for today. I trust you received your payouts. We had some pleasing results on there. We're still just finalising on the Gauntlet payouts because they launched some surprising news yesterday. So if you are a Gauntlet follower, please check out the Discord channel on MoneyByte about Gauntlet and catch up on all the latest news there. Last week we launched the MCPC coin, the mobile crypto pay coin. The first payouts went very well on that. We paid out 251 250 MCPC coin to MoneyByte members today, and yes, long may it continue. Good project with good prospects. This week we are pleased to announce our new offering to you. which is called Swampcoin. And with that, I'd like to bring Paul to the microphone to tell us a little bit about Swampcoin. Paul, are you there, please?
Yeah, how you guys doing today?
All good, thanks, Paul.
All right, Swampcoin is basically based off of their mining pool, Swamp Thing pool. They have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 11 different coins on their pool to mine Historia, which is on our masternode pool. You can mine that on their pool. There's some oldies but goodies like Homeless, Rita Coin. And I think they just added a new coin called 5D Cash. When it comes to mining Swamp Coin, it's CPU. Very hard to get. It took me about 3 months to mine 20,000 coins for the masternode, and that was using 8 CPUs, and 2 of them were Threadrippers. So it took a little while to get that coin. I'm proud to donate the 20,000 MoneyByte or 20,000 Swamp Coin masternode to the MoneyByte hedge pool, so everybody can receive rewards on a weekly basis. All you got to do is, again, deposit MoneyByte into the hedge, and you'll be receiving Swamp Coin on a weekly basis. I believe it trades on 1 or 2 exchanges. I don't know offhand which ones they are. Maybe next week the developer can come in and talk more about it.
Back to you. Yeah, that's great, Paul. Many thanks for that. Yes, well, a coin which is so hard to mine, very undervalued at the moment, has good potential. As BTC price rises and mining becomes more fashionable again, these mining pools will have a new lease of life. So maybe a good time to accumulate some Swamp Coin by participating in the Mon hedged pools. We'll open up the channel shortly for investments. The Discord is there for your information. We have our own Swampcoin Discord within the MoneyByte channel, so you can click onto that and get a summary of all the links on where to go. Right, so I don't know whether you noticed, but something changed on our Discord this week. Jimmy, would you like to tell us what has changed on our Discord, please?
Yeah, I'm pleased to tell about it. As some of the die-hard Discord users know, Discord offers Nitro, and with Nitro you get a lot of cool features. One of the features you have is to boost a server, and our server is boosted 2 times. That means that we're at level 1 for the boosted servers, and yeah, we get a lot of nice cool additions like emojis and all that kind of things. Also, we have a bit more tracking possibilities, so we can track the traffic on the server. We can see how much is communicated with each other, etc., etc. So that's really cool for us, and also that gives us a good insight in how we are doing with the community. Are we doing right? Are we doing things not good? So that is what happened to the server. Talking about that, why did we change that? We want to interact more and more with the community, because we are a community project. When the project was built with Bitcoin Monster, it evaluated into MoneyByte, and that was not done by a team of professionals paid by a big company. It was done by a team of crypto professionals who were all crypto enthusiasts, and they became a community within themselves. And we want to build a community bigger and bigger. That is why we are doing this, and that is why we are also doing all sorts of games. And one game we started past week, the Instagram and Twitter following contest. I won't give too many insight about it, but just follow Instagram and Twitter, and you can win 100 MoneyByte coins by doing each. The only thing you have to do is follow the accounts, guess on which country or on which capital the MoneyByte logo is placed, give us the answer, and you can win 100 MoneyByte coins. I will place the links to the Twitter and Instagram account in a few seconds over here. But that's a contest we are doing. We are doing all kinds of things like that. Just also on Discord we are doing some little contest games, etc., etc. That is what I wanted to say about Discord, Pete.
That's great. Thanks, Jimmy. Yep, it's all about exposure. You may have noticed that the MoneyByte icon is now spinning. It's just drawing people's attention. Oh, why haven't I clicked onto that? And boosted servers will hopefully create more foot traffic, and with the analytics behind it as well, we'll know what is working, where we need to do more to build the stronger community. Well, one part of investing in a project like this and being a part of a community project is that you know the people that are at the forefront pushing it forward every day. And today we're going to be interviewing Paul, otherwise known as Crypto Miner, who is part of our tech support team, very knowledgeable on his mining and various other things. But I would like to introduce and bring Paul to the forefront. Paul, are you still there, please?
Yes, I am. I'm still here.
Okay, well, thank you very much, and thank you for agreeing to be briefly interviewed tonight, so we can get a feel for who you are and what you are.
Yeah.
So,
don't make it too painful. Don't make it too painful now.
Oh, I'll try not to. It's the big build-up. So, let's begin with, what is your name, Paul?
AKA Crypto Miner. First name's Paul. And that's where I'll leave it at. You can go on the website and find out the rest.
Yeah, yep. You have a wonderful mugshot there. Much appreciated. Thank you. Not as bad as mine, though, so apologies for that. Where are you located, Paul?
I'm in Pennsylvania in the United States.
Okay, can't say I've been there, but I'm sure it's very nice. And what's your background? Tell us a bit more about you.
Basically, when I was very young, I came up in the landscaping business and became management and foreman of that company. And then I went into finance, became a licensed stockbroker, investment banker, you could say. Did that until the World Trade Center got hit. I wasn't there that day. I had the day off. Somebody was looking out for me. After that, I started a nightclub slash bar, sports bar, restaurant type establishment. Was the owner of that for a few years. And probably 6-7 years ago, I wanted to learn about crypto and started mining with the CPU, and then went into GPUs, and now I'm somewhere around 56 mining machines. So that's basically how it got started, was mining. I forget what that program is, but it's a ripoff. Don't do it. I learned the hard way. I can't remember what it was called, but it installs a mining program on your computer, and basically they take all the rewards and leaves you very little, but I can't remember what they were called. And that's how I got started in it.
Yeah, that's great. That's probably where the majority of people started, just with mining and building it up gradually. How did you get into MoneyByte in the first place?
Actually, I got into Bitcoin Monster first. I was part of the team of Pickaxe mining pool, and we were looking for coins to add to the pool, and I didn't have as big as a farm as I have now, but I was always the one to test the coin and find the blocks. Once blocks were found, we then released the coin onto the pool, and we looked at Bitcoin Monster back then and said, oh, that's something we'd like to add. So we did that, and as time went on, I stuck with Bitcoin Monster, which then later became part of MoneyByte, and joined the team with you guys, and still with you today.
You certainly are a key cog. A key cog. Where do you see the future of MoneyByte going over the next, say, 6 to 12 months?
Well, I believe we'll become more diversified in our investment opportunities, where the use case for the coin keeps expanding, which should, in theory, also increase the value and the market cap of our project. And only time will tell, but we're hard working at it every week to try and accomplish that.
Certainly are. I know a lot of the team put an awful lot of long hours in. So thank you for that insight, Paul. Thank you for your ongoing hard work into the project. I'm sure in the long term we will benefit. So thank you very much for that insight into you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. And as Paul mentioned there, we have brought this this project back from the depths of when it was 10 to 20 sats up to 400 sats. You know, there is plenty more potential for it to go further, especially with a lot of new hot money coming in. People can be a little short-sighted. In the world of crypto, 1 week seems a year. Things move so fast in there, but we have come an awful long way. We've made some good progress even over the last 3 months. When you look at the chart, it might look like a New York skyline at times, but the general trend is we are making slow but steady progress. Remember, MoneyByte isn't all about making money in the coin itself. It's how you utilize that coin to make more money, whilst the underlying value of your MoneyByte is continuing to increase. So it's a double-edged sword. You've got the potential of MoneyByte increasing, and at the same time you're receiving income from a wide range of financial instruments that MoneyByte offer. All of those are on our website. Please do check them out. If you do have any questions at any time, please reach out to any member of the team and they'll be happy to answer your questions. Well, with that, I'd like to thank you for all tuning in this evening. It's much appreciated. I hope you've learned a bit more about the MoneyByte project and what we've been up to this week and where our plans are for the future. So with that, I'd like to thank you for tuning in and speak to you next week. Thank you.